Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. If you guys can get me to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this coming month in June, then I will get the Jeep logo tattooed on me. So that's kind of a challenge for you guys. If you want to be a part of that, click the subscribe button right now. Now, this morning it's super early. I don't know if you can tell, I probably look super tired, but we are, it's Memorial Day. So there's a big Memorial Day Jeep meet and run and stuff like that. So I'm heading to that. As you can tell, it's pretty gross out. It's been raining pretty much nonstop, but I gotta get food. I gotta wash the car, I gotta do a bunch of stuff. It's like 7 something in the morning or something, I don't know. I'm not a morning person, so yeah, it's time to just go. So we got our food. I ordered some steak tips and eggs, you know, just a classic basic healthy-ish kind of delicious meal. So I'm gonna try and eat that while I'm driving, I guess, because I gotta go wash the car super quick and then I gotta head out to this. But we're gonna be meeting up with some people, of course, like usual, and getting things going. So yeah, we gotta get gas, probably do that now, and then yeah, well, as you can see, I already filmed it. It's a mess. It's a mess. Yep, just the standard Grand Cherokee gas fill up kind of day, you know, just doing the usual. But yep. All I'm saying is it was worth it. I mean, damn. I don't know. Kind of a good breakfast while I sit here and wait for the boys to get here for this meet. I don't know.
12 seconds later.
Now it's time to hit a super standard, super quick car wash kind of setup. So it's gonna be a quick time lapse again, just like usual, and it's basically the same thing I always do. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out up here, where you can see like kind of what I do. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just do this real quick, and then we're on.
I don't even need the notes. I'm gonna go off the dome. Bitch.
It looks like you lost.
I'ma die by my brothers and bitch, I stand on it. You best believe I use my strap, I spin the band on it. I had some people I put trust in, they went fed on me. If you try your luck, then we gon' send you to your dead, homie. We tell your head, homie. You know I beat, but you don't go there cause you scared, homie. I wish I would let one of these haters get ahead on me. I gotta stay humble how I move, I know they praying on me. Gotta keep some lead, mama, cause I'm having bread, mama. I'm getting the fruits of my labor right off that scale, mama. I'm trying to get close to the neighbors, hope they don't tell, mama. I ain't gonna let them crackers send my ass to jail, mama. And I put that on my mama.
All right, so far we're just driving there. It's like a half-hour drive to the spot. Hopefully you can see. I don't know if I'll be able to get it because of the mirror, but yeah, we got a couple people behind us so far. It's just me and the usual boys, but yeah, we're driving down this really nice road. I don't know if you can see, like, I love driving on this road because you can just leave the boys behind you, like like a scumbag. But yeah, so we're just heading up there now, and then I'll show you guys what's going on. I think there's gonna be a couple hundred Jeeps or so should be good, even though it's rainy and whatnot. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get there. All right, you guys gotta see this. I don't know if you can see it right now, but like we're 5 minutes early and there's this many people, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. There's got to be at least like 80 Jeeps here already, which is kind of f***ed up because it's like 9:30 in the morning. But yeah, there's a lot out here. It's everywhere. So we'll see what's gonna happen.
Got people claiming they my ops, but they don't want no problems. How you gonna say that you ready for war, but you don't got no choppers? I seen too much, I've been through hell, that's why I ain't scared of nobody. I know I gotta watch my back, I'm not just anybody. You say you the plug, that we on his ass if he got a lot of exotic. If we see the 12, we doing the dash, baby, we don't stop for nobody. We sparing the ops, but if he wanna act up, then we dropping the body. I told her, shawty, if she clean the act up, I'ma cop her a body. Bitch, I'ma die by my brothers and bitch, I stand on it. You best believe I use my strap, I spin the band on it. I had some people I put trust in, they went fed on me. If you try your luck, then we gon' send you to your dead, homie. Protect your head, homie. You know I beat, but you don't go there cause you scared, homie. I wish I would let one of these haters get ahead on me. I gotta stay humble how I move, I know they praying on me. My people depend on me. You ain't never made money trapping out the crib, I ain't working 2 years. I done reached at least 8 more of my goals, bitch, since the new year. I ain't going outside, I think next year I'ma have 2 mil. I don't never look back, you don't keep up, fuck how you feel. All my brothers hustlers, bitch. Turn the trap into a mansion with a bullet, bitch.
So Angelo just came up to me here, and he happens to have just pretty much the same Jeep that I have, as you guys can see here. So this is what I'm saying, guys. Come up and say what's up to me if you guys see me and you've seen the videos. He's just got just the yellow and the yellow calipers here. He hasn't done much to it yet, but we've been talking. He's got a lot of plans and stuff for it. So like I said, come up and say what's up to me. You never know. Now he's in line next to us, and we're all gonna roll out together for this huge parade, as you guys can see. Hopefully there's like, I don't even know, like 200 people here, so hopefully it's good. I'm gonna strap the GoPro up and yeah. All right, so I think about 200 or so Jeeps, but now it's gonna be a police escorted kind of drive here. So it's gonna be kind of interesting because there's a lot of people, but you know, it's for a good thing. Everyone out here has got their American flags and everything. They're you know, being good American people out here on Memorial Day. So even though it's a little rainy out, a little bit gross, a little bit cold, everyone's still out here. And yeah, we got all the boys out here, and there's probably at least, like, I don't even know, probably, like I said, like 200 Jeeps. I'll have to find an actual number out of how many people came, but yeah, we got the video in motion set up with our taser. So if you guys don't have the taser, check out the taser video up here now. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it.
I try to tell them all the time that, you know, we gotta keep working, gotta keep pushing, because this is all we got. This is all we ever dreamed of. You know, I can't stop till I make it. You know what I'm saying? For real.
Damn. That's a big
$1 million dreams, all I speak about. Can't give it a rest, cause I need it now. Seen them come and go, but the truth be told, never needed no one, made it through the snow. Who gon' tell me I'm the one? Whoa, fuck the norm, I had to run. Go, break the box, you can't keep me locked in. Pressure's on, I ain't got no options. Who gon' tell me I'm the one? Whoa, fuck the norm, I had to run. Go, break the box, you can't keep me locked in. Pressure's on, I ain't got no options. Speaking on my fantasies, living proof dreams can't turn to realities. Learning from the forest for I plant a seed. Nowhere near my prime or the best of me. In a class of my own, no one can touch me. Been a secret weapon, too dangerous, they had to tuck me. Bitches feeling aura around me, they tryna fuck me. Jealousy from many different circles tryna cut me off. Too comfortable to be in the same position. Every time I speak, I wanna claim commission. Old friends turn their back, but I still miss them. Promise all my niggas plenty fortune when I bathe in riches. Promise we gon' make it, my nigga. I promise we gon' make it, yeah. I promise we gon' make it, yeah.
I told them we was gonna make it, for real.
Who gon' tell me I'm the one? Whoa, fuck the norm, I had to run. Go, break the box, you can't keep me locked in. Pressure's on, I ain't got no options. Who gon' tell me I'm the one? Whoa, fuck the norm, I had to run. Go, break the box, you can't keep me locked in. Pressure's on, I ain't got no options.
Alright guys, so that's probably gonna wrap up the video there. I didn't record an outro, so that's what I'm doing here now. I was editing the video here, and as you guys can see, it's kind of where I was at, and I realized I didn't record an intro, or an outro rather. I just kind of ended the video. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button down below right now to help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, of course help the channel grow. Of course, click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And like I said, you guys get me to 10,000 subs by the end of June. Guess what? I'm getting the Jeep logo tattooed. So make sure you guys help me hit that mark. And yeah, you'll see me get the Jeep logo tattooed. So of course, check out Shop Lifestyle. Get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
I feel like I am losing